When FENEX first approached us, I was very curious because it's around 60% paper-based, so it's sustainable, and at the same time has a very unique finish that no other material has.
FENEX material and fashion cannot be more different from each other. So that really is the number one catalyst for me that excites me with collaborative art projects.
When we were trying to study FENEX, we were very amazed like this material, is non-reflective. So we started thinking about how can we come up with a design to show off this very quality of the material.
We were very inspired in the act of stone stacking, which dates, centuries ago, this ritual of stacking stone as a way of calming the mind and focus.
There's almost no absolute with water, and that's highly fascinating. We can celebrate how strong FENEX is, but it's also quite interesting if we explore how versatile it can be.
So we try to challenge the norms. We start on a blank canvas. We try to transform the challenges and the status quo into something else. We try to see opportunities by making it better, but we happen to use the medium of light to do that.
As a fashion designer, I am also one that believes that no one needs another dress. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm using very hard and rigid material and trying to create a very fluid and delicate garment. And what I did was cut up the FENEX material into very, very small pieces of different shapes and sizes. And then we reassemble them and fuse it together with a fabric and to create this very malleable material. And then we use this material and make it into a dress. This conceptual piece that I have is called the Song of the Dancing Liquid Dress.
So we wanted panels that can flip in all directions. So we started thinking of, building blocks so that people can interact with it. And then they can see that, light just mysteriously pass through it without actually getting that very uncontrolled reflections. We selected different colors of the FENEX materials so that when people start to flip it, they can see like different colors being brought out of it.
In reality, what we are designing is a ritual. So we all spend many hours with our devices, so we wanted to make it more conscious the moment that we put it down. That's why we use the material in a way that is concave at the bottom. Then when you put your phone down, you have to balance it. So it's the conscious act of putting the phone there and to reconnect with your surrounding in a more analog way.
Personally, I hope that we can make a change to bring greater awareness because currently lighting is very underappreciated. Because if people start to care about the quality of water they drink, quality of air they breathe, then it's really important to understand the light that is falling on us, how it affects our visual environment, and also how we feel.
Our work will continue to be very based on sustainability, and we will continue to push the boundaries on sustainability, exploring new materials and processes to bring to our daily lives.
FENEX has this elegance to it. It's very subtle and it has this warmth to it really in the texture. But what really strikes me, I felt that FENEX actually has this very sexy hand feel to it. A very simple idea, but I'm very glad that it has actually pushed me further than what I imagined.